So when we cemented the floor in down here, I drove a copper anode down through the ground here and hooked the ground from the loads panel and the main panel in the house to this ground rod. Plus I also have a ground wire that runs over to my plumbing in the house. And I disconnected this earlier looking for my problem. Never found anything. I also went up to my array, disconnected the ground there. Didn't make any difference there either. But I knew I had a ground issue, but I kept looking for it and looking for it. Now remember, my pole, where my neutral ground bond is about 90 feet away. So there's a little impedance in the wire. So I'll update later what I found. So those of you know what you're looking at here, you can see it. I added a ground neutral bond here at the loads panel. I had just put a jumper wire in between the ground and the neutral, and it cleared right up on the scope. I had scoped in between power and neutral, and it was a nice clean waveform, but I kept getting this strange waveform whenever I went from power to ground. And so I thought, I'm going to try something here. So I added another ground here, neutral ground bond here, instead of the one at the pole. And sure enough, it cleaned everything up.